There are many reasons for hair loss, such as excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. After using this home remedy, you'll instantly notice your hair grow. Fast. Take 4 tablespoons onion juice in bowl. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. People have used olive oil for hair care for thousands of years, claiming it adds shine, body, softness, and resilience. But some research on the effect of olive oil shows that it can have a major moisturizing effect. Olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. Mix well. You can apply this remedy to your scalp and hair. Gently massage yours for a good 15 minutes. Leave it in your hair for at least 2 hours. You can apply this remedy 3 times a week, and in about 2 weeks' time, you will see a difference. Make sure you massage your scalp for 15 minutes, since this will promote a healthy blood flow, which means better circulation, which leads to faster and healthier hair growth. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.